Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever played Roblox on mobile and wondered how on earth people use shift lock, yes, that feature that makes movement and camera control so much easier. Today I'm breaking it all down. The best part? It only takes a few taps and you don't need any third-party apps. Let's jump right in. First, grab your phone and open the Roblox app. Make sure you're logged in so the settings will apply to every game you enter. Once you're in, launch any Roblox game you like. It doesn't matter which one, because this method works across every game on mobile. When your game loads up, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the Roblox icon. Tap it to open the in-game menu. This is where most players miss the hidden setting, so pay close attention. Inside the menu, you'll land on the People tab by default, but that's not where Shift Lock lives. At the top, switch over to Settings. This is where your camera and control preferences are stored. Now scroll until you find Camera Mode. This option decides how your view behaves inside the game. By default, it's usually set to something other than what we need. Tap the small arrow beside camera mode, and from the list, select Classic. The moment you switch to Classic mode, congratulations. Shift Lock is now enabled on your device. In many games, you'll see an on-screen Shift Lock button appear, usually on the edge of the screen. Tapping it will let you toggle between standard movement and a locked camera angle, giving you much better control, especially in obbies, PvP games, or anything requiring precise movement. And that's it. No extra apps, no weird downloads, no complicated steps, just a simple setting hidden in the menu that most players overlook. If this guide helped you unlock better movement in Roblox Mobile, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Drop a comment if there's another Roblox trick you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.